Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix low headphone volume in iPhone 15 Pro Max. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, check if your iPhone volume is full or not. So to check this, press the volume up button and increase your volume from your phone. So after increasing your volume from the phone, if it doesn't fix your problem, then open settings. Now here scroll down and click on sounds and haptics. And now here scroll down and click on headphone safety. And from here, if you have turned on reduce loud sounds button, then turn off this button to increase your headphone volume. So when you turn off this button, it will increase your headphone volume. But if it doesn't fix your problem, then restart your iPhone. So to restart, press and hold the power button and volume down button at the same time. Now swipe this icon to right side to restart your iPhone, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. But if it doesn't fix your problem, then scroll down and open control center, and from here turn on and off aeroplane mode 2 to 3 times, and after that reconnect to your headphones. And after reconnecting, if it's still not working, then open settings, and in settings scroll down and click on general, then here click on software update. Now check if your iPhone is updated to the latest version or not. If your iPhone is not updated to the latest version, then first of all update your iPhone, and after updating, the headphone volume problem will be fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.